What's the deal, everybody? It's JT from 7 Figures Marketing, back with a new video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make at least $50 per day posting ads on Craigslist for CPA marketing in 2020. Now, if y'all been following my channel for some time, y'all know I haven't posted too much about Craigslist this year, but if y'all been following my channel since, early last year, y'all know that's how I got my success online. It started off with Craigslist and Maxbounty, posting simple ads every day. And my highest day with Craigslist and CPA marketing, I believe, was like $234. Y'all can go check the income proof on my channel. Y'all can go scroll all the way back. I can't remember exactly. It might have been like February or March or something like that, 2019. And yeah, the money I was making from Craigslist, I used over to paid traffic. I started creating more courses and things like that. It's kind of how I got to where I'm at today, where I can pretty much make a full-time income, with little to no work now. So this is where it all started, posting simple ads over on Craigslist. And what I want to kind of do is show y'all like a general overview for those of you that's kind of new to posting ads on Craigslist, how you can do the same. And the great thing about posting ads on Craigslist in 2020, not too many people doing it. It's like ever since I left, talking about it on my YouTube channel every day, 'cause that's what I used to do. I used to post ads on Craigslist, make the income proof, teach it in the course, and upload videos every day. So the competition was crazy because everybody was seeing me doing it, and since I was getting results, everybody else was trying to get results as well. But me just doing a little bit of research, I spent 5 or 10 minutes, just looking at other people's ads on Craigslist, and I couldn't find one. So I found one that was posted like 18 days ago. So it's like little to no competition on Craigslist. And I guarantee you, if I hop back into Craigslist, I will see the same numbers that I did before. So like I said, if you're interested in Craigslist right now, is a great time to do it because nobody else is doing it. And for whatever reason, I don't know, but what I want to do is just show y'all this ad I found. It took me a while to find it. I found it in Milwaukee, posted 18 days ago. This is an example type of ad that I was posting and getting, $50, $100, even $200 in a single day, posting simple ads like this. So what I like to do is just find, whatever I'm about to post an ad, before I even post the ad on Craigslist, I like to see what's already working. So you can go over to whatever city that you in, whatever popular city that you want to post in, go over to the computer gigs or labor gigs. That's normally the top 2 gigs that people post in. I was posting mainly in labor gigs. I didn't play around with computer gigs too much, but you could probably find some good ads in there as well. You can sort by US cities, which will show up the top cities on Craigslist right here, and you can go through each one and go to the labor gigs or computer gigs to try to find some winning ads. So for example, let's take this one right here that I found. Cell phone users wanted for paid study. Company is looking to fill positions for the new year. We have several positions available, paid weekly, choose your own schedule, start here. And when you click on it, it takes you to this website, now hiring brand research specialist, which is very, very nice and clean. Oh, I didn't even know it was a bottom part to it. So it's a very, very clean website. I recommend anybody to go and model. It's probably made using Builderall. It just seemed like a Builderall type of website. But from here, click on Get Started Now. How did you hear about us? Craigslist. Go to the next question. Are you at least 18? How do you prefer to get paid? PayPal. Go to final question. Our average payment is 25, 35 hours. Is that okay? Click here to finalize and submit. So as you can see, just from clicking this one link, it sent us to one website. Now it's sending us to another one. It's probably gonna be the offer now. And boom, they sending us to the inbox dollars offer straight from the Craigslist ad. So if you go over to Maxbounty, you know that that's the #1 campaign, over in Maxbounty. So you come over Maxbounty, your dashboard, click on top campaigns, #1 offer right here. Inbox dollars. I made a ton of money with this offer. It still works to this day, as you can see. We got live proof of somebody using this offer to promote on Craigslist. Now, what I do want to say is, because somebody always pointed out, Craigslist is a black hat traffic source. You're not supposed to be using Craigslist, but in my case, since I was sending all the traffic that I was sending was very high converting, they let me keep sending it. And if you mask your traffic right, so for example, this guy, when you go to this website, as soon as you click on Get Started Now, it sends you to a whole new website, fill out a few questions, and then it sends you straight to offer. So it kind of hides it from the network. They don't really know where it's coming from. And the way they see it, as long as it's converting, really, they don't really care too much of where it's coming from. But I'm telling you ahead of time, it is black hat, and I have got pulled from a few offers running Craigslist. So, just something to be aware of. Sometimes you lose your offer, sometimes you lose an account. I got, luckily for me, I got a few Maxbounty accounts on standby that I can use at any given time. So if I am running an offer and I'm making a lot of money with it, with a black hat traffic source, I can always just use my other accounts. And if you go on YouTube, you can see how to open up a new Maxbounty account. Very, very simple. I got like 2 different videos. I got a 2019 version and a 2020 version showing you how to get Maxbounty accounts. Very, very easy to do. If you can get one, you can get 100. It's literally that simple. But what I want to do is show you, if you didn't want to promote inbox dollars, which this is a double opt-in offer. So basically, when they enter, you should show you. They enter their email address, password, and click on sign up. They have to go to their email and confirm their email address in order for you to get that commission. Now, if you set it up right, you'll be making money like it's like it's nothing. So, getting paid $2.80 per lead. Imagine getting 100 people a day to fill that offer out. Just very, very easy to do on Craigslist. And that's $280 a day, literally just like that. And I know this offer, I think it starts you out with a cap of 20. And once you hit that cap every single day for like a good 3 to 5 days, your affiliate manager will normally bump you up to like 50 or 75 leads. You do that, hit the cap for that for a few days, they bump you up to 100 maybe. And making $280 a day with this offer is very, very realistic to do. So say for instance you didn't want to promote this offer, and me just show y'all the best offers to promote on Craigslist. Which what I would do is just go over to all categories, go to surveys, mobile optimized per lead, my approved offers, and click on search. And right off the bat, I like to sort it by EPC to see what's the highest converted one. And boom, you got a lot of different offers you promote. You want to find the ones that's United States. I meant to say that. United States of America. I'm tripping. So just the #1 survey offer, United States, pays out $9.50 per lead. Now you don't want to go with any offers that pay over $3 because it normally requires too much information for you to get a conversion. These people nowadays, they got a short attention span, so kind of want to leave that alone. Like I said, any offers that's over $3, any ones that's like around the range of $1 to $2, they convert like crazy. Like the Vendel research converts like crazy. Let me just show y'all a few offers. I promoted myself. Panda Research is good. Opinion City is good. I'm surprised inbox dollars not on here. Yeah, you just want to find like a survey offer, single opt-in, double opt-in that's under $3 for you to get a conversion, and you're pretty much good to go with that. Those are the best. That's what I've seen the most success with over on Craigslist. And like I said, once you find, what I like to do is make a list of about 5 different ad copies to see what's already approved and running, because more than likely, if they got an ad approved using this same ad copy or similar ad copy, then chances are you can too. That's what I like to do, even with paid traffic, with Facebook ads or Bing ads. I like to take what's already working and not try to reinvent the wheel and stuff like that. So say for instance you want to take this ad copy right here, go over on Craigslist, just go over whatever city you want to post in, click on create a posting, select the county, Wayne County, gig offered. I want to hire someone. Like I said, you can go with labor gigs or computer gigs. That's normally the main ones everybody go with. And as you can see right here, $5 per post. Now in bigger cities like New York, it costs $10 to post in. But the more it costs to post in, the more traffic. So don't let that be a hang up spending $10 on the ad, because that $10 can make you, man, I had so many times where I spend $10 on an ad and literally make like $80 to $100 off of it. So don't be afraid of spending a couple dollars. So from here you just put in your title. So for instance, you want to take this, cell phone users, blah blah blah, want it for paid study. You can take his description. Now that's not what I would do exactly. I normally don't just copy it word from word. I'll probably change out a line or two. Space some things out, add some emojis, capitalize some stuff. Start here. You can put your website if you wanted to. I like to have people reply to my gigs and then send them an email from my Gmail account and then send them straight to my landing page, kind of like how he did. I don't like putting my landing page inside the ad. I just feel like I will always get in trouble doing that, but see, he got away with it. So, to each his own. From here, you just click on compensation, what pay. You can put $100. Email, you want to put in whatever. Let me see, put on my backup email address. Just to show y'all kind of like the process. Posting an ad on Craigslist. Oh, zip code 48204. Continue. Scroll down, click on continue again. Add images if you want. I normally never do. From there, done with images. From here, click on publish. Wherever email that you put in there, it's gonna send you a confirmation. Click on that link, put in your credit card, pay for the ad, and you're pretty much good to go. Within like 15-30 minutes, your ad should be live, and eventually you'll be getting leads like this. Now, this is just 1 day's worth of emails that I posted back when I was doing this in January. Made a lot of money doing that. And I will show y'all the exact copy that I was using inside my email, but I'm giving that away to all my beginners course members today. All my beginners course members are in for a treat because I'm giving away my winning funnel that I used to make thousands and thousands of dollars on Craigslist over the last year or two, and I'm giving away my email copy that you see right here, but the full copy. So, like I said, my beginner course members is in for a big treat today, man, because y'all can implement this inside y'all Craigslist campaigns or whatever you want to call it. Maybe that'll be the spark that you needed for your Craigslist if you wasn't getting the results that you wanted. But for example, I did come up with a simple ad copy. I ain't want to leave y'all hanging. So as you can see right here, my reply that I use: thanks for your interest in our study. We still have a few spots left. Please follow the steps listed on our website below to begin a questionnaire. And boom, got a link to your website. You will be paid instantly upon completion. Thanks. Simple reply that you can use. It's only 2 sentences with your link, and that's pretty much that. Now, that still works to this day, but the email script that I use is like super high converting on top of the funnel that I use. Like I said, I'm giving away to my members of the beginners course, and I just added it in probably 5 minutes ago. So definitely come in here, all my members, come check it out. See my winning funnel. It's the first video inside the Craigslist training. A lot of things, a lot more updates is coming to the beginners course. I'm adding in some 2020 Facebook training, some 2020 Instagram training, and adding in some new Craigslist training as well to keep everybody pretty much updated on everything. But to kind of recap, all you'll need is pretty much a Gmail account to send emails to, or if you want to put your landing page inside your ad copies, you could do that. So that'll pretty much cut out having. Well, you still gonna need an email account just so Craigslist can send the verification emails to and stuff like that. You're gonna need a phone to verify whenever you need to post your ads. And sometimes you might get away with posting about 3 to 5 ads before they ask to phone verify you. And you're gonna need a phone. And I go over inside the Craigslist training how to get unlimited phone verified accounts. That's what PVAs stand for. You're gonna need at least $5 to $10 budget per ad. Mind you, if you can put together a $30 to $50 budget with Craigslist, you can get away with posting 6 ads, 6 $5 ads, 3 $10 ads, and all of it will work out pretty good for you. You're gonna also need a landing page builder because you don't want to direct link. That's the worst thing you can do, is just direct link straight to the offer. That's probably the quickest way to get your account banned. I hope you wouldn't be that crazy to do that. So like I said, you're gonna need a landing page builder. Me personally, I use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, I will leave a link down below. It comes with a 14-day free trial, and as a bonus, like I said, you get my landing page for free. So all you got to do is click one link inside the members area of the beginners course, and it will be imported into your account. All you got to do from there is just change out my affiliate link for yours, and boom, you can start getting your commissions. You don't have to do nothing extra. And you're gonna also need to live inside the United States. Unfortunately, if you're outside the US, it's probably not gonna work for you unless you can find people inside the US that'll post ads for you. No, I will not be able to post ads for you, man. I'll be doing too much myself to run that type of service. I get messages like that all the time. People ask me to post ads for them outside the country. But like I said, it's pretty sure you can probably find somebody on Facebook, reach out to them, in the Facebook groups, Facebook Marketplace. Probably come over to Craigslist, find somebody that'll post for you. You just gotta bribe them basically. And last but not least, all you need is about a good hour or two a day. You know, that pretty much consists of posting the ads and replying to, you know, sometimes hundreds of leads in a single day. But you know, it's all worth it, because when you come back to your account, you know, you're refreshing your screen, you seeing you getting commissions pretty much 24 hours out the day, and that is pretty much a really, really good feeling, man. So like I said, man, if y'all interested in picking up my Craigslist training, you know, along with my winning Craigslist funnel, which I added today, I will leave the links down below in the description or in the comment section down below. But if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, all that good stuff. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. I post everything: CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, ClickBank, make money online videos, all that type of stuff. So subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I release my next video. And I'll see y'all in the next one.